That's what we're going to do today. We're going to learn about comprehension and we're going to learn how to answer reference questions. Okay, that's what we're going to focus today. All right. Last week, if you remember, we did a little bit of synthesis and transformation. Today, we're going to learn about open-handed comprehension. So I'm going to teach you something that is going to be very helpful for your P3 next year. Am I right, Scott? P3, right, Scott?
Yeah.
Scott, which school are you from, Scott? I forgot. You told me last week, but I forgot. Which school are you from, Scott?
Horizon.
Horizon Primary. Okay. All right. Are you ready for some grammar MCQ? All right, let's do this. Andy and his dash of friends are going to the museum. All right, you tell me, what is it? Andy and his?
Group.
Thank you. The answer is group C. Next one. Read it for me. Read it for me. Read it out aloud for me.
The soccer players felt happy because they received loud cheers from the spectators. Spectators.
Yeah, spectators. Give me a second, yeah? Oh, no.
Huge. Reflected gold. Orange gold.
Hang on.
Get orange gold. If you don't love.
I don't know what happened. Give me a second. The screen disappeared. Okay, are you able to see my screen? Okay. All right, what did you say for number one? What was the answer for number one? Group,
I
right?
can't see your screen.
You can't see my screen?
Yeah, I can't see your screen.
Let's try this again. All right, if I write, can you see?
Yes, I can see.
Okay. Hang on. Okay. If I write, tell me whether you can see. Can you see?
Group.
All right, very good. Okay, what is the second one? Because they receive loud cheer. Am I right?
Yes.
The answer was they, right?
Yeah.
I don't know what's wrong with my pen today. Oh, Lord. Hello. All right. So the answer is they. Okay, next one. Let's try the next one.
Mother put a blanket over me after I dozed off while reading my book on the bed.
Over me, right?
Yeah.
Can she put the blanket in you?
How do you put your blanket in you? I think you are dead by then.
Can she put a blanket through you?
How do she put a blanket through you? She will be dead.
Good boy. So it's over. All right, next one. Let's try. Very good. My sister plans to buy an ice cream.
And a box of chocolates for my birthday.
Thank you. Very good, Scott. The next one. John and Ethan.
John and Ethan. John and Ethan were in the school than last year,
Why
but
is it
they
were?
were
Why were? Because of what word?
because last year.
Thank you. So this gives you a clue, right? If I change the last year to this year, what will the answer be?
Then the answer will be C.
No, this year.
Oh, this year. A.
John and Ethan is in the school. John and Ethan? So this is present tense. And this is?
Past.
But wait, I want to teach you one more. This is singular. This is what?
Plural.
This is singular.
Plural.
Well done. Okay, let's do the next one. The alarm rang continuously. Just Joe did not wake up.
But. Because when the alarm rings, the person may always want to wake up when the alarm rings. But then Joe, when the alarm rings, he didn't want to wake up. So he continues sleeping. That's why it's but.
Well done. I like your explanation. All right, this is all the answers and we are right. All right, next one. Okay, so that we have finished grammar, let's move on to vocabulary, okay? All right, let's do vocabulary. The burglar ran off as quickly as?
Lightning.
Well done. How do I spell lightning?
Lightning.
All right, as quick as lightning. Do you know anything else? As slow as a?
Snail.
Thank you. What else do you know? So you know quick as lightning. Slow as a snail. What else do you know?
As fast as a cheetah.
Thank you. Fast as, oh, well done, Scott. Do you know as cunning as a fox?
No.
Okay, learn this. Cunning as a fox. All right. All these are called. What happened? Are you okay?
Yeah.
All right. Miss Gloria teach you something else today. All these are called similes.
Similes.
Yeah, similes. Okay?
Similes.
Similes. Okay, let's do. What are similes? Slow as a snail.
Quick as lightning. Fast as a cheetah. Cunning as a fox.
Well done. Okay, let's do the next one. I like Robert. Read it for me.
I like Robert because he is a helpful boy. He often teach me to solve challenging mathematics sums.
How do you know he's helpful? Because he often
teaches me.
Yeah, so this explains that he is
helpful.
Okay. So this is very important. Sometimes you need to read the sentence before and after. Scott, what happened? Why is your camera off? All right, that's better. Okay, let's do the next one. Read it for me, Scott.
Tom's school bag is heavier than mine.
Yes, heavier. Okay, why is it heavier? Why not heaviest?
Because we're not comparing with 3 people.
Thank you. So you got heavy.
Heavier.
Yeah.
Heaviest.
All right, so this one is 2 people. This one is more than
2 people.
It doesn't have to be 3. Even if it's 5 people, you can still say heaviest.
Yes.
Because this is on its own, okay? So we call this the base form, the comparative, and okay, never mind. So this, you must understand this, which you have. Well done. All right, question 10.
John often swims to keep fit and stay healthy. He goes to the pool 5 times a week.
Right, so how you know it is often? Because of what evidence? Where is the evidence to show that it is often?
5 times a week.
All right, so this shows that is often. What does rarely mean?
Rarely means not often.
Thank you. What does annually mean?
I don't know.
Once a year. So annually means once a year. Do you know what does monthly mean?
Monthly mean only every month.
Yes, once a month. Okay.
Yeah.
Seldom means sometime.
Yes.
I teach you one more word, okay? So you've got monthly, every month, you've got annually. Okay, I teach you a new word, huh? Fortnight. Fortnightly.
What?
Fortnightly means once every 2 weeks. Scott, why is your camera off?
On.
Okay. What does fortnightly means?
Every 2 weeks.
Once every 2 weeks. What happens if you want to do it every week? What do you call it?
Weekly.
Thank you. What if you want to do every day? What do you call it?
Daily.
Daily. All right. So now you understand? If you do it
Yes.
every day, it's called daily. If you do it every week, it's called?
Weekly.
If you do it once every 2 weeks?
Once every 2 weeks. Fortnightly.
Once a month?
Monthly.
Once a year?
Annually.
Annually. Sometimes?
Sometimes is seldom.
Not often?
Rarely.
And very often.
For the every week that weekly, you never add an ly.
Wow, so observant. Is that better now?
Yep.
All right, let's do the next one. Number 11, can you answer? Read it for me.
Miss Tan is whispering to
Mr. Tan.
Mr. Tan so that her children cannot hear what she's saying.
Why is it whispering? So that she?
So that her children cannot hear what she's saying.
All right, what does yelling means?
Yelling me is another word for yelling.
Shouting very loudly.
Yeah.
All right, yelling means?
Shouting very loudly.
Yee. Okay. You know singing, you know shouting. What is whispering? Talking. Talking. Scott, you know what happened today? What am I doing? Talking very what?
Softly.
Thank you. All right, let's do the next one. All right, correct. Number 12. Help.
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 Help.